Yeah, it's afternoon.
Yeah, it's late afternoon. It's on there.
Making an apple crumble. I've made this one loads of times, haven't I?
I've made it for a bit yet.
But I haven't made it for a bit, yeah. It's a... See, whose is it? It's on the BBC Food one. I'm not sure whether it's a Mary Berry one or not. It might be a Mary Berry one. Anyway, it's very nice, and I tried a load, didn't I?
Yeah.
Of different ones, but they're all calling for oats and things, and I don't like them crumbles with oats on the top and all that. So this hasn't got that. So this is a nice one.
Yes.
So I'll show you what you need. 10 and a half ounces of plain flour, which has to be sieved, pinch of salt, 6 ounces of brown sugar, and 7 ounces of unsalted butter. So I don't really see the reasoning why you have to sieve plain flour. I know when you do self-raising flour, it's to give it added like lightness and things, but I don't get why you have to, but I do it anyway. It asks for it, so I'm doing it.
Okay.
I always do as I'm told.
What?
I can't know it.
Come on. Never do as I'm telling you.
You're just wrong sometimes though, that's why. Is it?
No. No.
It's true that.
It's not.
It is true. So, come back in a minute and I'll show you.
Okay.
When
That's it sieved and...
When it's all sieved and it's looking like crumble. And the apples. I'll show you how many apples.
Okay. See you in a minute then. With the crumbly
goodness. Okay, apples are done, crumble is done. I'll put me cinnamon in. I'll put my flour and my sugar and mix all around. Okie doke. Smells delicious. So they are going in here now.
This is only a one-man dish, by the way, guys. Man, you notice it said man.
War man.
War man. It's a bit full, that, love.
It'll be fine. It always looks like that.
I know.
You've got to cook down, don't forget.
It's down a bit, yeah.
Are you concerned? Would you like a separate bowl?
A little.
Would you like a separate bowl?
Oh, you're right. Would you like a separate bowl? You can put about 3 pieces of that in the bowl for
No,
yourself.
right, thanks.
Yeah, but the camera in your face.
Oh, yeah. Looks like sand, doesn't it?
Sand of the beach.
Right. When you can't get to the beach, make your own and then eat it. Eat your way out of it.
Push that down a bit, yeah.
I will do.
Probably want to do it for you.
Do you want to do it? And I'll film it.
You're okay.
Shut your bloody face.
Can't help myself.
Shut up. Or I'll be getting a tripod.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I'll be mounting the camera on the tripod and I'll be just
it'll
leaving.
Be absolutely rubbish.
It won't. And I'll be leaving you sitting there asleep.
Really? Me? Sleeping? When does that happen?
Not very often.
No. Anyway, back to the crumble.
You can speed it up if you like.
Thanks very much.
Because I'm trying to take my time and not spill it all, you see. That's why.
I'll come back when you've got it ready.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Sorry about the mess. Now I've got to clean the cooker.
There's a bit of a mess on the cooker.
I have, never mind. It's difficult
Get the
to
hoover.
get it in. So this goes in at, where is it? let's see it. 180 degrees for 45 minutes.
Okay.
So the oven's been on. I've got chicken in
I'll
this
stand here watching with the vlogging.
for all that time while you watch it cook. See, if I had a little tripod camera, you could do a time lapse.
You got a tray, love?
No.
You put it on a tray.
No.
I'd put it on a tray if I was
Jesus
you.
Christ. Do you know what?
Only because you've got it really topped up there, and if it goes over into your cooker, you'll start complaining about you having to clean your cooker.
I will. You're
So, I'm only giving you some good advice, so there you go. I'll see you in a bit when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got chicken in that oven.
Well done.
I've got apple crumble in that oven.
Mm.
What have I got to do now? Rice. I'm making sweet and sour. I'm not making sweet and sour water jar because I'm lazy.
Okay.
Any comment to me?
No. Oh,
Fine, I'm happy. Done. Nice.
yes.
Looks delicious. Can't wait to eat that. I'll leave it there to cool. Well, not cool too much, but you know, cooler. I'll eat.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just going to go back to some other.
Oh, you having a tea?
Put it in the sauce, yeah.
I'm going to put it out now.
Just got one thing finishing, that's all. Just check on it.
Done? So, I'm putting the crumble out, and this is what I mean, look. See how gooey? So it's like a caramelly because of the brown, soft brown sugar. See? Okay. Restaurant.
Slim man in the bowl.
Huh? What?
Slim man in the bowl.
Okay, you can put the ice cream if you like.
Right.
Yeah. Aldi soft scoop ice cream. I can't open it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Go on, Colin. Easy. Ta-da!
What kind of sauce?
It's not, is it?
What do you want this?
There.
What?
Well, I'll do. Okay.
I keep coming up, I'll do it.
Don't have to.
Morning guys, it's noisy in here this morning.
Washing machine's
machine's
on,
on.
grill's on,
Coffee's done.
coffee's done.
Hectic night last night.
We have had a horrific night.
Woken up. Well, it's 1:30.
20 past one. Massive big crash.
Not massive big crash.
It woke me up.
Okay. A bang and then it sounded like somebody trying to start
Rev an engine.
read of an engine. He gets up.
They want to know that.
Okay, come here closer. He gets up. It's outside and there's this vehicle turning up, a van turning at the top of the street. He just ran into the car, smashed it down one side.
All down passenger side,
Straight
all
all down.
scraped. The wing mirrors hanging off.
Taped it up at the moment. So I have to get onto the insurance tomorrow for that.
Because the insurance isn't open on a Sunday.
Anyway, I'll show you that now. So, we were up after night with that. Got the police because the tyre went down on the van. It's a hire van that they're in.
So
The tyre went down, so they were stuck around the corner.
one of them run
One runs away. Two Polish guys.
drunk.
Drink driving.
Let me.
The rest of it. Right. Usual. I know. I don't understand. And can I have a translator? And that's so. Yeah, he might be genuine. He might not have understood much, but anyway, he seemed to know when he needed to know. Anyway, I'll show you the car. As with the size of the passenger wing. The tyres aren't really trying any damage yet. That looks a bit, actually that looks a bit pushed back. So, could be major damage. All the way down there. It's on the side. Wing mirror at the tape up. That looks dangerous to me there. Have to check that out. Hi guys. Just yes. Just an update on the car. Obviously we go through it was this and the other, but we've got a bit of video footage
from a neighbour.
Well, if it works we'll insert it now.
Shocking, isn't it?
We're still waiting, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got a courtesy car, which is brilliant.
Nice car.
It is, but our car's still sitting outside. Still waiting to be.
Can't be moved.
Because
we realised, obviously, since first looking at it, that the front side, passenger side wheel has been pushed back. It's about half an inch to an inch away from the wheel arch. So it can't be moved.
Just in case there's damage to the axle, is it?
Yeah, we're just waiting to see, to get it seen to, so we can find out what's happening with it.
So we have to just wait, and within their hands, aren't we? While they have to do what they have to do, and then we have to just get on with what we need to get on with.
So guys, we're going to end the vlog here, and
I'm going to iron.
I'll see you in the next one. Got jobs to do. I'm sure you'll see that in the next vlog.
Colin's got loads of jobs to do. Piling up. The list's getting longer.
Stop taking me to Disneyland Paris then, won't you? So doesn't get the jobs done.
No, I just said, shall we go now?
Right then. So,
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See you soon.
See you soon in the next vlog. Bye for now.
Bye.
Realize he's just got out the screen.